Today, I want to hit on something a little different. I typically, talk about, the power of thinking and how, your thinking controls your actions and what you do. But today, I wanted to kind of switch it up a little bit, and I wanted to chat about, being careful about what you say, what you speak. You feel what I'm saying? I'm a firm believer that believe, the power of the tongue, it speaks life or death. You feel what I'm saying? In other words, whatever you say as well as what you think, you feel me? You're going to create that, right? And it's a lot of times where we say things, you feel me? We may not even consciously say it, but we say it. You feel what I'm saying? I just give you a few examples to, before I get to my point. We might say, like, I don't feel like going to work out, or I don't feel like going to work. You feel what I'm saying? Have you ever said that, you feel me, and went and did whatever you just said you didn't feel like doing, and you got there, you like, I don't want to be here, right? So you have to take, control of what you're saying as well as what you're thinking, you feel me? Because, I'm a firm believer, for a fact, I know, what you say is really what it's going to be, right? It don't matter if it's a negative thing, if it's a positive thing, whatever you say is what it's going to be. You hear me? You got to remember something, you are a creator, and the truth of the matter is, regardless if you want to accept it or not, you feel me? We create our own situations. We create them based off how we think, what we say, you know what I'm saying? Of course, what we do. But you must understand that what we say and what we think, you feel me, is what we do. So just keep that in mind, and be very mindful of what you say, right? So speaking on that topic, make sure that what your thoughts are good, of course, and what you're saying is good. You feel what I'm saying? No matter what it is, you know what I mean? So instead of telling yourself, I don't feel like doing this, or today gonna be a terrible day, whatever it is, start speaking life into your life. You know what I'm saying? Start speaking life into your day. You see what I'm saying? Like when you wake up in the morning, you need to tell yourself, oh, you know what? I'm up. Boy, it's going to be a great day. You know what I'm saying? And I know it's kind of hard to sometimes, I guess, feel that, if you feel that, things ain't working out in your favor in your life. But I'm here to tell you for real, you know what I'm saying? Just start speaking good and watch how it affects your life instantly. You feel me? So when, like I said, you pop up out of bed, be excited to pop out of bed because, somebody didn't pop out of bed this morning. You feel what I'm saying? Or you going to work, you feel me? Whether you like your job or not, be excited that you have a job. You get what I'm saying? So it's very important to be, grateful for what you have, but it's also important to, speak good into what you have. You see what I'm saying? If you sitting there and you keep saying stuff like, oh no, I ain't good with names, for example. You're right. You're going to be good with names. But when you start telling yourself, oh no, I'm real good with names, man, your brain going to start. Your brain going to listen to you. Okay, cool. All right, we are good with names. And then next thing you know, you're going to be easily remembering people's names. You feel me? And just keep in mind, just because you immediately, start saying good things, and it may work, it affect you, and, it may affect you real fast. But you have to be patient with it sometimes, but consistency is the key. You know what I'm saying? Start telling yourself consistently good things. You see what I'm saying? One of the great examples that I can use, you feel me, is, if you feel you have some insecurities, you know what I'm saying? You might have some insecurities about, how you look. You feel me? Start telling yourself in the mirror, man, you look good. You feel me? You look good. Man, you look good, right? Or whatever the case may be. Or when you wake up, oh, I feel good. You know what I'm saying? When you go work out, and I'm finna have a great workout. You know what I'm saying? Again, today, oh, I'm up. I'm finna have a great day. My point is, what you say is what you create. So be very, very mindful of what you say, all right? And don't forget, be very, very mindful of what you think, right? I just had that in my spirit to drop on y'all real quick. Really, I don't want too much more of you. But make sure you are commenting, sharing this video, sharing with the people you love, sharing with your peers, your friends, you feel me? Because we're going to spread this good word. We're going to keep this thing moving. I appreciate y'all. Until next time, it's your boy, Coach P. I'm out.